Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to work on an FJ Cruiser and we'll be installing the seat jackers that we got from Cartrimhome. So I'm currently right now in the Philippines and I brought this with me. So we'll be installing this on a 2014 FJ Cruiser and we'll be using our Suzume torque wrench. This one is a three-piece kit that you can purchase if you want to purchase this. It's available at Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It comes with a three-piece wrench and with some extension. So come on, let's begin. All right, so it's gonna be a little loud, so yeah, so this is the FJ that we're working on. So this will be an easy install, especially with the FJ. We can easily open the rear door on this one so that we have access to the back if we need to loosen up the rear bolts of the seat. So there you go. It's a little dirty. It's been raining here right now. Yeah, so there you go. Easy access. So first, we can remove all of the bolts in here. We're gonna need a 14mm socket for us to remove it. All right. So the back, we need to remove this covers on both sides to loosen up the seats. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, so let's start here in the back. So let's remove the covers on both ends here. So simply just pull them out and there you go. So again, let's loosen. You don't have to fully remove them, just loosen them up. That will be perfect. All right. All right, so now this is loosened up. So again, I did not remove the whole thing. Now we're gonna need to slide it all the way back to have access on our front bolts. All right, so we successfully removed the bolts on the left and the right. So we can simply lift this right now. So you see in here, there will be two holes, one for the screw and one for the pin. Should be there. There's a smaller one there. So we just need to slide in our seat jacker and bolt it in. All right, so I need two hands. I'll be right back. All right, so for this, we just need to torque them to 27 or 28 foot-pounds. So we'll see. I already tested this torque wrench. It's accurate. Like I tested it with compared it with my Craftsman torque wrench, and it is accurate. So they have the same torque. But yeah, so again with this seat jacker, let's wait for the click. There you go. Yep. So next is we're going to just put the bolts to secure the actual seat, and we're going to work on the back. All right, so now that we put on the bolts here, all we need to do again is torque them properly. Again, this is the Suzume torque wrench, and we are putting our seat lifter from Cartrimhome. There you go. Just make sure you torque it properly. Now we're gonna work on the back and we're just gonna secure that. All right, so now the one here in the back, we just need to torque this. Oh, almost there. There you go. So I just have one to double check the other one. There you go. So everything is torqued in. So you just need to put this, and basically that's it. So just to show you, me, I'm comfortable using the seat jacker because it supports my leg on this part. Okay, if you see there in the FJ Cruiser, on the passenger side. That one, I sat on that one, and I'm not comfortable at all because it doesn't have the adjustment. Yeah, so probably we'll get another set of seat jacker from Cartrimhome and place them in there. All right, so again, this one is nice. Again, it depends on the person who sits on how to adjust this. Again, it's not for everyone. For short people, again, it's not for short people. This is to support taller people. So yeah, so again, it supports our legs in here. I'm not that tall though, I'm only 5'7", but I am comfortable using this, especially on my 4Runner. I am comfortable, so I decided to install this on this FJ Cruiser that we have here in the Philippines, so that we're comfortable when we are traveling. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. If you want to save 7%, you can use my discount code FG7P to save 7% off your purchase. Again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.